Hi, in this video, I'd like to show you how you can use HTML blocks inside Caspio to hide fields in data pages. Let's take a look. For my use case in this video, I chose a field services application. And what I would like to do is open up a new service request on behalf of the customer. When I submit this form, I'd like to notify the customer via email that a new maintenance request was created. When I select the customer's name from the dropdown, what you're not seeing is a hidden field that pulls the email based on the customer's selection. There's really no reason for me to display that email. All I want is to use that email in the acknowledgement email when submitting the form. Caspio does a great job using standard features of showing and hiding fields based on prior input. But there are times when you may want to use a different technique in order to hide fields. In this example, we'll be using HTML blocks. Let's have a look. In my form, I have the customer ID field for which I'm using a drop-down element. I'm also linking to my customer table as the lookup table in order to display the name of the customer. Upon submission, I will be stamping the customer ID in the services table to link my customers to service requests. It's a simple one-to-many relationship. If you look down a little bit, you will see a virtual field added to my form. Virtual fields can be added using the Insert button. For those who don't know, virtual fields don't actually submit anything to your table. They're used to display data on forms. For example, I could use a virtual field with calculated value element to display calculations in real time. In this use case, I'm using a cascading dropdown to filter emails based on my selection in the parent field. My parent field being the customer ID from the customer's table. The last thing that I did was hide the virtual field so that the email isn't displayed on the form. To do so, I added two HTML blocks, once again using the Insert button. Then, with a simple div tag and some inline CSS, I was able to hide the field using some basic CSS properties. In the second HTML block, I closed my div tag in order to hide the field. Now let me skip ahead and show you how I used a virtual field inside my acknowledgement email. Under messaging options, I enabled email and selected my virtual field to be used, which means each time a form is submitted, whatever email is being pulled from the cascading dropdown, that email will be sent the following message. Be sure to review our how-to article for additional details and info on how to hide fields based on different circumstances. Thanks for watching this video. Give us a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe for additional tips and tricks on how to use Caspio.